Hello and welcome to NNLM Delivery. In this video, you'll learn how to manage your files on your NNLM Delivery account, including how to create folders, organize your files, and delete files. To get started with file management, click My Files. Let's say I want to group these brochure files into a new folder called Brochures. First, I'll create the folder by entering Brochures into the New Folder Name field and click Create Folder. To move files into a folder, check the boxes beside the appropriate file names. Then select the folder name in the Select Folder dropdown. I can choose to create a copy of these files into the folder or move the files entirely. After I click Move Files, you can see the files are no longer listed in my general storage area, but a number 2 has appeared next to the Brochures folder. If I click the folder name, I can see the files are stored here. And I can click the 2 dots in the folder pane to return to my general storage area. To create a copy of a file into a new folder, repeat the selection process and click Copy Files. You'll see that the file I copied is still available in the general storage area, but note that a number 1 has now appeared beside my ILL folder to indicate there is now one file there. To edit a file, click the pencil icon on the right side of the file row. I can change the name of the file, add a brief description, password protect the file, or make it publicly visible. Please note that if a file contains copyrighted materials, it should not be publicly accessible. To delete a file, check the box beside the appropriate file name and click Delete Selected. Your browser may ask you to confirm the deletion. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Thanks for watching. This video was produced by the network of the National Library of Medicine. Select the circular channel icon to subscribe to our channel, or select a video thumbnail to watch another video from the channel.